Want to receive your SMS messages on your computer without constantly checking your phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to receive SMS on Google Messages for web-enable notifications and make sure new messages sync properly so you never miss an important conversation. To receive SMS messages on your computer, your Android phone must already be linked to Google Messages for web. Once the devices are paired, your existing conversations will automatically sync to your browser. Make sure your phone stays connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data. If your phone goes offline or is turned off, new messages won't appear on your computer until the connection is restored. To receive alerts when new messages arrive, allow notification permissions in your web browser. When notifications are enabled, you'll see message alerts even while you're working in another browser tab. When someone sends you a text message, it will automatically appear in your Google Messages for web inbox. Simply click the conversation to read the message, and your phone and computer will stay synchronized. After reading the message, click inside the reply box, type your response, and send it without switching back to your phone, so the conversation will continue updating on both devices automatically. If new SMS messages aren't showing up, first check that your phone is connected to the internet and still paired with your computer. You can also refresh the browser page or reconnect your device if needed, and that's how you receive SMS on Google Messages for web. Once everything is connected and notifications are enabled, you can stay on top of your messages without leaving your computer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more technology tutorials, and thanks for watching.